I am literally having to sit on a pillow so that I am tall enough to be seen by my tripod. Yeah, that's a thing. Okay, ready, let's do this. Hey, that was intense. Hello, my name's Crimson, and I have not done a video like this before, so bear with me as I make shit up. But yeah, I am going to talk about how I make myself so punk and grungy and alternative, if those are even the words to describe my style. But I dress, I think I dress cool, but I'm just gonna talk about that. Boom. As a boy ad, I'm making this all, I've not got a list, I'm not really prepared for this. I am just riffing, making shit up, because that's the best way to be. I live life on the edge. But number one, out of who knows, layering is everything. See, even I'm doing it right now. I'm prepared, yeah I do. So I like to layer, especially on my top half. I never really just wear one, like a t-shirt by itself. It feels weird, it feels wrong. I need, like, even these are brand new. I'm gonna talk about these in a bit. I have a lot to say, but yeah, so layering long sleeve shirts with, well, t-shirts with like as regular tees. I even do it with jumpers, like with hoodies, all that kind of stuff. And the second thing is fishnets. Yeah, so I love some fishnets. I got some the other week for the first time and now I'm in love with them. And I've been like, well, for the past few weeks I've been craving like a fishnet top, but nowhere around like near me has been selling them. So I had a spare pair of like fishnet tights that I like cut a hole in around the crotch part and then cut hand holes in, and then I made it into a top. Yeah, so yeah, you can do fishnet tops. I'm even wearing fishnets on my bottom half. You can wear them with skirts, you can wear them with trousers. Short, I'm wearing them with, I stand up, well you can't see, shorts. You can't, yeah, you do them with shorts too. It works weirdly, I don't know, I just make shit up and hopefully sometimes it works. But yeah, fishnets, they're edgy, cool, I don't know, they're just a vibe. They're just, yeah, what was that noise? Number three, jewelry, yeah. So I'm wearing these rings. I got this one from Marks and Spencer's. I think I did this one too, yeah. But a really cool, I just love chains, like rings. I forgot the word for a second, but I remembered, yeah. I'm smart. It's a little bit androgynous. It's a little bit like, it's sort of like pops. I often go for silver because I don't know, it just feels more alternative and like, I don't know, like sort of like if it's a more like, I guess the vibe I'm going for. I don't know why I'm saying that, but it's a thing that I said. Also, I guess kind of related to jewelry, but your face piercings are amazing. Like, you probably can't like properly see a lot of mine on my face, but I have like 8. Yeah, I do. I got my septum done, eyebrow, got like all of my ears, and for a short time I don't have them anymore, but I did have snake bite, well, like lip wings, and it was, yeah, I don't know, I took them out and I let them heal up, but yeah, I don't know, piercings are just cool as fuck. Everyone in the, like, I would happily, I don't know, piercings are sexy. People wear piercings. It's a thing you can do. I guess plaid is also a thing that people would do. I like plaid. A lot of my stuff is plaid. I got some patterns. I don't know. Oh, well, I was gonna say the little squares, but that's also plaid, I guess. So, kind of cool, isn't it? Words, we're learning. where I'm educating, edutainment. I am surprised if you've made it this far through, to be honest. I'm gonna turn you off now.